like a French territory in Caribbean. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, whenever we try to get a visa to any location, the very first thing we need to check is, do we really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, location, purpose, and even other visas that you carry, you may or may not need a visa. So that's what we need to check over here. So as I said, that Saint Martin is a kind of overseas France territory. So I have opened this France visa wizard. So we need to answer some questions, then the system will guide. So nationality, I'm doing as per your a sample case, but you do as per your case. Age, just sample guys. I'm not 32. Do you join or travel with a family member who is an EU country, excluding France? Swiss, I select no. Are you married to a French national? I select no. Your place of submission of application. So because the applicant is from India, I select India. Visa type, short stay. Main destination, yes, this is where you're gonna select where you're gonna go to. So as I said Saint Martin in this video, so I select Saint Martin. Travel document, kind of travel document, I select ordinary passport, and then I'll click on search. Okay, now it says you need a visa, of course. So that's how you determine your plans, why you wanna go there. I select tourism, main purpose of stay, I select tourism. Then I have this search option, I click on search. So now I have got it, like the fee 60 euros. So that's around 5376 Indian rupees. Okay. Purpose, everything is given. Documents, travel document, passport, valid passport, 3 months longer than you'll need when you leave the Schengen area. Okay. Purpose of travel, package tour itinerary, reservation of return ticket, social profession situation, employment contract, funds, IT. So now this varies based on location, proof of fund like ITR5, okay, 3 salary slips. So you can read it, and then accommodation if you have booked hotel or Airbnb or whatever. Okay, travel health insurance. So when you want to submit, you can gonna submit. Okay, the very first thing is like, okay, so what happens is like after you create your account, it sends an email to your email account where it comes with a link that link you have to click and verify the account. And after that, you can log in, and then we can go from there. Like then you can go from there. So I click on create a new application. Your situation, current nationality. It will guide you like as you proceed. Okay. Do you join a travel EU? I select no. You need to answer as per case. Your place of submission of application. Select India. City of submission. It will give you the option where you can submit based on your location. I select New Delhi. Visa type 90 days. Main destination. If you're going for Saint Martin, I select this. Your travel document. Travel document type number. Be very careful. I'm just putting some sample. Date of issue. Expiry date. I'm just giving some sample. You need to see your document and your plans. Why are you making this trip? So I have tourism. I select this main purpose tourism. Okay. And then I have verify. Okay. So after verifying what has happened, I have got some other information populated that I do need a visa. Okay, fine. Click on next. So basically the wizard was uh, completed. Okay. So this is gonna be 6 steps. Your identity. Okay, I won't submit it, but because after submission, it will give you the next set of information like biometric fee payment and all. I'm not gonna do that till that way, but some sample metal status. I select Single. Last name. It's Smith. Last name and birth if different. First name, date of birth. I'm just putting sample. You do as per your case. Dates of birth. Check your passport so that there's no mismatch. Country, territory of birth. National ID into national document number. I'm putting sample. You do as per your case. Nationality, birth. You do your personal address. State your address. I'm putting sample. You do proper address. Delhi and pin code. Telephone number. Email address. Okay. I'm just putting sample, but you provide proper email address. Have you do you live in a country other than your current nationality? I select no, but yes, provide that. Your family. Are you joining or traveling with French? The French national family, I select no. Same thing for they ask for EU and UK member. Current job, current position. What are the options I have? I just select computer engineer. Sector. Name of employer. LEIT. Address. Employment address. Yeah. Postal code. City. Country. Telephone number. Email address. Next. Your last visa previous. Have you received a Schengen visa in last 59 months, like 5 years almost? I select no. Have you digital fingerprint, like have you given fingerprint with a Schengen visa? I select no. Your stay. Planned date of arrival in French territory. I'm just doing sample. Departure. Days. So I'm just putting 28. Number of entries, 1. Number of state plan in France for the coming year. The coming year, I select 0. Your plan for staying. Tourism. I select tourism. Next. Your contacts. Hotel. Name of hotel wherever you are going to stay. Address of the hotel. Postal code. City. Email address. Cost. Accommodation prepaid. Credit card. Cash. Whatever is applicable, Nico, you're going to do that and we'll go to next. So supporting documents. Prerequisites, purpose of stay, funds. They have asked for all documents. If you click on continue, it will tell you where to go for like submission and other things, and a copy of form also. So I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to proceed with this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.